New this morning, an important initiative will be launched today to help assist disabled veterans here in the Ocean State. Joining us in studio to discuss more about it is Congressman David Cicilline, who will be a guest at the launch. Good morning. Thanks for coming in this morning.
My pleasure.
Tell us all about this event.
This is very exciting. This is a partnership between Roger Williams University Law School and Chisholm and Kilpatrick, a law firm here in town, who has done a similar thing in Boston with the Harvard Law School. And it's really to provide legal services to veterans who are litigating disability claims, other issues. They have a long record of experience helping veterans. It's really going to be a very exciting announcement and a real opportunity to help many of Rhode Island's veterans.
How important is this nowadays because of the wars we've been through, the number of veterans that will be coming out of service and needing help? How important?
Incredibly important. I mean, Rhode Island is home to about 70,000 veterans, and when veterans return home, we have a responsibility to do everything we can to help them reintegrate back into the community. That means access to mental health services and healthcare services, transitional employment opportunities, housing issues. I mean, we owe a tremendous debt of gratitude to our veterans that we can never fully repay, but we have a responsibility to make sure that all those services are available. And this clinic today will be sure that with respect to legal services, which can be very challenging for returning veterans, that those are available at no cost to veterans.
We know you've been busy. You're heading back down to Washington today. Talk about the budget lately and some of the things you're excited about in the recently passed legislation.
Yeah, I mean, I think the budget was a good compromise, not a perfect bill. It was a real compromise. It earned the support of most of the Democrats and many Republicans. It mitigates some of the worst consequences of sequester. It protects Medicare beneficiaries from a cut in benefits, as well as ensures that those that are receiving disability are protected. In addition to that, it allows for some investments in education and infrastructure, some important things. And importantly, it avoids a default because it raises the debt limit at the same time. So we avoid some of the emergencies that have caused so many problems in Washington.
And before we let you go, we had some video of you, an interview with our sister station down in the D.C. area, talking about the fine print and nursing homes and some of the issues that have come up lately with that. Talk about your...
So really important. I'm a co-sponsor of a bill to correct this, but the small print in a lot of contracts that these multinational corporations have consumers sign, where they don't realize that they're agreeing to mandatory arbitration before they can sue about a claim that they have. And for many people, arbitration is a very expensive process, and they're basically waiving their right to have their claims heard. It's in the fine print. This bill will correct that.
All right. Thanks so much for coming in.
My
Good
pleasure.
to see you again.
Good to
All right.
see you.
Safe travels back down to D.C. And for more on the issues we just discussed, just go to our website, WPRI.com.